Hi, welcome to Leverage Business Apps. Today we're going to be going over the text function, specifically how to show numbers as dollars and currency. So you'll see here in our test app, we have our computer inventory and the purchase price. It's just bringing over the numbers from our SharePoint list. And we want to display this as dollars. So if we click on the purchase price, where it's actually pulling the data, we see it's this item and purchase price. We're going to use the text function to change how this looks. So we're going to start the function with text. We still want the same data coming in, this item and the purchase price, but we just want to change how it's formatted. So instead we're going to format it, and we're going to say we want to format it like this. Dollars, number sign, number sign, number sign, number sign dot 00, in the quotes, close the bracket, and now you'll see that we have dollars and cents showing, and it looks like a real price and dollar sign. Thanks for visiting, and if you have any questions, go to leveragebusinessapps.com.